welcome back for today's video. So today my friend's gonna be looking for a truck and a rock climber I met, and he actually found one. So we're gonna be going to look at it, and I'll get with y'all when we get there. We just pulled up and he got diesel and I just got some gas. So we're actually almost there to go get his rock climber. Yeah, so I'll get with you when we get there. We're actually gonna begin there and get there.
Alright, Bluetooth on?
Bluetooth on. Alrighty, so I need fries.
Alright, I'll meet you there.
Alright.
If you don't know, then call me.
Alrighty.
Well, we got Bluetooth anyways.
Yeah, alright, I'm on my way.
Alright. I'm actually not going to drive up in his yard.
That was my fan that just commented on my video, and that's what I like. Alrighty, we're here.
Is this the Jeep? It is. It looks like it. Check around. I'm not gonna knock on the door right now.
Oh, that's nice. I would definitely get that. Bet it costs like maybe 60,000 for that. Got snorkel risers.
Is this a Jeep that you're selling? How much were you wanting for it? 5,000? I mean, is there anything wrong with it? Well, can I take it for? Well, let me go get the cash out of my truck, and I'll bring it back to you.
Well, that's very cheap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask him if he wants to sell anything. Just text me. He got some cheap stuff. Well, that might just be the only cheap thing he gives away.
Here's the cash, man. Do you mind if I leave my truck here and go take it out? And I'll come pick up my truck back later. Alright, man.
Alrighty, guys, we're fixing to head out to the rock place, and we're gonna do some rock climbing. This is my rock climbing vehicle. It's not really, but I didn't really have time to build one. I've been busy lately.
This thing's pretty.
This cop's bad. Going around that corner over there. Since we're playing on Cody 7's map, y'all go play on his and like it. Just like that. That was easy. Alright, it's fixed.
Okay, let me get in front of you.
Alright, we don't want to get too deep out here.
You got a snorkel on that thing?
Yeah. That thing's actually coming in handy.
I don't even know if these snorkels are actually
Work.
Yeah, I don't even know if he just slapped something on there.
Hopefully he didn't. I mean, the truck was cheap. That was very cheap.
Yeah, probably stolen or something.
Probably. Hope not. Thing can climb, can it? It's Bronco. Squat. I'm almost to 10 followers. I need y'all to like and subscribe. Whoever watches this video. Yeehaw. This thing flies. Alrighty, I'm gonna miss them rocks right there. I don't wanna.
I think that's good in mud too. I'm not gonna try to slip in that hole yet.
I'm trying to miss them rocks as good as I can. And I just scratched my truck up. My Bronco.
Oh. Oh.
You need a winch?
No, I'm good.
Oh, watch out. This mud is deep up here.
It's alright, I got a snorkel.
It almost went over my snorkel, how deep it is. This is my first good truck I ever had in a while. Every time I get something, one of my friends borrow it and mess it up.
Yeah, and I might be one of them. I'm not gonna say I have, but I might have. I paid him back though.
Yeah. He wrecked my truck. And I had to sell it. I think one time me and him got in a car wreck together. Oh, you want in front of me?
Yeah.
They need to see what you doing too.
This thing, I might lift this thing a little bit more. I don't know. It ain't got a lot of ground clearance.
Oh God, almost fell. That would have done. I would have had to pay a lot of money. Take it easy up here. There's a jump up here, and it's far from where the distance is.
Yeah.
And one time I had the old Ford Bronco once and shattered everything on it. I gave it to this junkyard. Just winch back up.
Or toe. Oh man. This. Alright, I'm gonna have to. Alright, well, I'll meet you down here.
Alright.
Man. I'm gonna take this to the shop.
Yeah, you need me to go get my trailer?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let me get out this thing.
Come pick me up with your truck, too.
Alright.
I'll wait right here.
Alright. I'm almost to the bottom, and I'll go ahead and get my truck in. That stuff like that.
Alright, I'm gonna try to go slow and get.
Alright.
Because I'm not trying to break anything.
Is it overheating?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, well, I'll hurry up and get there.
I'm gonna try to get it on the side of the road.
Alright. God. And that's gonna cost me a lot of damage. We don't live very far from where we're at. I'll just get my truck. Swap. Alright, I'm on my way.
Alright. I'm over here at Cody's house.
Alright. He got the biggest house on here.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll back up to you and you pull up on my trailer.
Alright.
Alrighty. Oh God. Alright, pull up on my trailer. Is your Bluetooth on?
Yeah.
Alright, just...
They won't let me do it.
Huh?
The thing ain't popping up.
Here.
Pull up. Well,
Alright, there you go. Well, that will probably wrap up for today's video. Y'all please like and subscribe. And do whatever y'all can do.
we finally got my truck here. I need to go pick up my other truck, but it's alright. It'll stay there for a night. I'll call the dude.
Yeah, we'll go pick it up tomorrow.
Alright, well, like and subscribe. See y'all.